to show you how to install the List Perfectly extension for Google Chrome in this video. Once you're a member of List Perfectly, you can go to listperfectly.com, sign in, and it will bring you to this main menu. At the top under Help and News, hover there to bring up the menu and go down to Get the Latest Version. Now they have their current version, which is the most stable version of List Perfectly at any time. There may be some known issues. This version is the most stable and tested. Keith and I use the beta version. It is the first version always to receive updates and fixes for any known issues. However, it is the least tested. That's why it's called beta, because we're beta testing it for them. It is a great option for anyone that needs a fix immediately or just wants to be a part of the newest versions of LP first. We always use the beta version. Current version is probably better if you're not as versed with List Perfectly or as versed with computers overall. But either version you choose, you will have that access to List Perfectly's 24/7, 365 days a year tech team. They can be installed on Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. For purposes of this tutorial, I'm showing you Google Chrome beta version. And then it wants you to select the browser you're using. Well, I'm using Google Chrome. Okay, and then you have to scroll down here. There are some other steps and instructions here for you that you can go through. I should show you that they have the important notes for beta users here. This was just released May 20th of 2023. This is what version it is. List Perfectly is constantly putting out new beta and new current versions, constantly updating. This is all of the updates in this beta. Okay, and then there's some known issues. And so if you're going to use the beta, I do tell folks you have kind of a responsibility by agreeing to be a beta tester for a beta version. If you run into any issues, you should report them to List Perfectly so that they're aware of it. But whichever version you choose, you'll select your browser and go all the way down here to confirm. They just want you to confirm that you don't have any other extensions. So whenever I update our beta, if they put out a new beta and I want the newest version, I have to take the extension off of my Chrome. You can go to the three dots here on your Chrome, go down to More Tools, and then over to Extensions, and you can see all of the extensions that you have at any time on your computer. And if I had a List Perfectly extension here, I would just click Remove, just to make sure that that's gone, and I can tell them yes. And then I want to download the beta version. It'll come to this screen, and you'll just choose Add to Chrome. It's going to ask you one more time if you're sure. Yes, I want this. So now that it's been installed, you want to go to your puzzle piece here on your Chrome, Google, right there. You see the little puzzle piece. If you click that, you can go down to List Perfectly here and push that push pin so that it turns blue. What that does is it puts your List Perfectly icon here, and you can easily log in right here. So once you're logged in, you can go right here to your icon. You can check your sales, your notifications, your settings. We'll go into all of that in another tutorial.